Delta coin is a new digital currency that a lot of people are currently mining. It is a unique project that is supported by Internet Computer Protocol. To start mining this coin and not be left out, click on the referral link in my description below. Once you do that, it will bring you to this page. Click download Delta app now. Click download Android APK for Android users or the App Store for iPhone users. Click download. Once download is complete, click on it. Your phone might not allow installation of unknown apps. You have to click on settings to allow installation for Telegram or Chrome browser if you are downloading via Chrome browser. Once you do that, the app will be installed. Click on open. Click on country/region to select your country. Click on the next box to add your phone number. Make sure it is the same number you use for your WhatsApp and can send and receive SMS with the phone number. Add my referral DID in the description below and then add your own nickname. Mine is Online Wealth and click next. Now you have to verify the phone number you have added in this page. Click on the SMS verification. Click get. Now choose one of these numbers that you will send an SMS to. I chose the MTN number below. Click here to copy. Then tap on the SMS. Confirm. Open with message. If you have two SIMs in your phone, make sure to change it to the one you are signing up with and then send the SMS. After sending the SMS, come back to the page and click I have sent verification string next step. Click confirm. Tap to mine. Click mine. And your mining of Delta coin will start. To mine USDT, click on add and confirm. Then click USDT. It will bring you to this USDT mining page. USDT is a stable currency. You earn it by clicking the tiny play button to watch ad. And after they confirm that you have watched the ad, your USDT reward will be converted to USDT, which you can withdraw to your wallet as time goes on. Here is where the number of ads you need to watch will appear daily. And as you can see, I have 18 USDT pending after I have just finished watching 3 ads. It is pending because they need to confirm that you actually watch the ad before rewarding you with USDT that you can then withdraw to wallet. You can click on wallet on this page to view your balance. You can also click on the invite button to copy your invite link and send to your family and friends. To add someone to your security circle, click on menu. Click security circle. Click add manually. Select the person's country. Input their number and nickname. And click submit. And it will be added successfully. Your security circle are the people that can help you log back into your account if you log out by sending you a generated code. I may show you how to do that in another video. Just make sure to add trusted people into your security circle that you can reach out to. at any time, and you need up to 5 people in your security circle. If there's any area you don't understand, leave it in the comment below and I will attend to it as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.